Okay, hello mga kapatid. So dito, ang pag-uusapan naman natin is papaano yung VAT treatment sa mga transport operations. Dito maririnig natin yung mga international carriers, shipping or air, no? Sa dagat man or sa hangin, sa himpapawid. Okay, so yung mga ating mga airlines, papaano ba ang treatment natin sa VAT? Meron po tayong tatlong subsection sa 109 na pag-uusapan. Of course, no? Dito kasi, actually, hindi lamang po yung mga passengers yung pinag-uusapan natin. Kasi may mga air cargo. Eroplano, no? Na ang dala-dala, hindi mga pasahero, kung hindi, mga cargo. For example, meron tayong tinatransport na mga heavy machineries. It's either by air or by water pag mga international shipments. Kasi pag dito sa Pilipinas maaring by land, no? Pwedeng by international carriers. So maaring passengers or mga cargo, paano naman yung bentahan ng mga spare parts, yung mga equipments, yung mga engines, no? At syempre para tumakbo yan, kinakailangan natin ng fuel, sorry. So papaano naman yung mga VAT treatment natin pagdating dyan. So we cover STU from our section 109. Basahin ko lamang po. Sa section S or sa subsection S, VAT exempt po pag transport of passengers by international carriers. Pagta-transport ng mga passengers, international carriers. So halimbawa, galing tayo ng Hong Kong, pauwi tayo ng Pilipinas. Okay, yung transport na yon, VAT exempt. Okay? Letter T, sale, importation, or lease of passenger or cargo vessels and aircraft, including engine, equipment, and spare parts thereof for domestic or international transport operation. Please take note, pagbebenta, pag-i-import, paglilis, no? May mga iba kasi na hindi nila yung pagmamay-ari, kung hindi, inuupahan lang din nila ito sa mga logistics, no? Sa mga transport groups. Okay? Ng mga passenger or cargo vessels and aircraft, pati na po yung mga engines, equipment, spare parts. Either for domestic, pag domestic, locally, or international, abroad, no? Letter U, subsection U, importation ng fuel, goods and supplies by persons engaged in international shipping or air transport. Okay? International shipping or air transport. Provided that the fuel, goods, and supplies shall be used for international shipping or air transport operations. So, etong lecture natin dito, more of clarification itong STU. Tapos, ito yung parang visualization natin. 4S, passengers. 40, mga engines, spare parts, no? And 4U, yung fuel, importation ng mga fuel. Alright? Sige. So, pag-usapan muna natin itong S, sa transport of passengers. Actually, meron tayong dalawang classification. Although dito sa S, we are talking only of international carriers, pero dito sa guidance, no, na nakuha ko sa ating reference book kay Sir Tabag and Sir Garcia, clarify lang din po nila international versus domestic. Okay? Pag international carriers yan, pag passengers, hindi po yan subject to VAT. VAT exempt yan, no? Originating in the Philippines. So, it is VAT exempt. Pero pag cargo or goods, subject po yan sa percentage tax na tinatawag natin na common carriers tax. I think we will be talking about it on a separate na video lecture soon. Okay? Samantalang pag domestic common carriers, yung transport ng passengers by land, okay? Common carriers tax po yan. Pag by air or sea, VAT, no? Pag within the Philippines, pero pag abroad, zero rated yan. Okay? Babalikan po natin ito, mga kapatid, pag pinag-usapan po natin or meron akong binigay sa inyo ng mga explanations or clarification because we have a separate session on zero-rated sales. Ito kasi VAT exempt. Yung zero-rated naman, parang wala din tayong binubuwis pero zero instead na VAT exempt. Ano naman yung magfo-fall doon? We will talk about it separately. While for cargo or goods, VATable pag within the Philippines, pag Philippines to abroad, 0% VAT. Okay? But ang pinag-uusapan po natin dito na transport of passengers by international carriers ay yung mga pasahero. And eto lamang po yun. Okay? But for comparison lang, kaya meron tayo nitong guidance. Especially later on, kapag pinag-usapan na natin yung percentage tax on common carriers at saka itong ating zero-rated sales. Okay? Sige. Dito muna tayo sa T. Dito naman pala. Yung sale, importation, or lease of passenger or cargo vessels. Clarification. Provided daw na yung exemption from VAT on the importation and local purchase ng mga passenger or cargo vessel shall be subject to the requirements on restriction on vessel importation and mandatory vessel retirement program ng Marina. So ito lang, may dinagdag lang po tayo. Parang pinick up po ito, and for clarification, this one. Okay? So please take note of that class. And yung if you want to research further, meron tayong mga corresponding guide po dito kung saan po natin siya mahahanap. Okay? So halimbawa dito sa ating may nakalagay dito na open and close parenthesis, nakalagay diyan po ay RR15 series of 2015 ito na R15. That is RR15 series of 2015. And ito naman, tama, RR13 series of 2018. You can check that one if you want to explore further. You can visit the website of BIR para dun sa mga revenue regulations. Okay? For you naman, yung importation ng fuel, goods, and supplies, ito yung ating clarification. Dapat yung fuel, goods, at saka mga supplies, it shall be used exclusively for that purpose, or shall pertain to the transport of goods and or passenger from a port in the Philippines directly to a foreign port or vice versa without docking or stopping at any port in the Philippines unless yung paghihinto, yung docking or stopping at any port or any other port in the Philippines ay ginagawa for the purpose ng may i-unload tayo ng mga pasahero or mga cargos na nanggaling sa ibang bansa or kaya naman maglo-load tayo ng mga passengers or cargos na papunta sa ibang bansa. Provided further that if any portion of such fuel, goods, or supplies is used for purposes other than the mentioned dito sa paragraph na ito, yung part po na yon, it will be subject to 12% VAT. Okay? So, yun po and these are some additions, clarifications, or other pointers, Wala lang po tayong example dito, but I hope nakita po ninyo yung connections nitong S, T, and U sa ating video lecture na ito na VATability ng transport operations. Okay, so hanggang dito muna tayo, class. Thank you for watching this video lecture. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'll see you sa susunod na video lecture. Bye-bye!